Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick recording because where I'm at, I can't really stream my Tequila Gundam, and I'm noticing a lot of people coming in, uh, a lot of traffic coming in from Google searches. So I thought it'd be nice to show off some progress here on my, well, not progress, but like just all the features and details and just kind of where I'm at. Okay, so yeah, so the past week I've gotten a job and it really slowed down my progress. But who cares about that? Let's get down into the nitty gritty. So this top half of Tequila Gundam here is like 95% done. I just need to read. Like as I was going through this design, I really refined some of my process and my thinking. So this head needs to be redesigned. I mean, it's fully featured and really nice because you get like front half, back half, and everything comes together like it's a high grade. But I think I really refined some of my thinking and principles, so this will need to be redesigned, I think. But yeah, like there's a lot of part separation. I think you guys will enjoy that, and I really mean it when I say high grade like experience. I really want to deliver that, and yeah. So we got the hat. The hat hasn't been fully designed out yet, fully realized, I should say. But yeah, have a look at this torso here, this neck piece. This neck piece, this neck piece literally looks like one of those poly caps you get. You got all these ball joints, and it'll be really interesting once I print these out. How my material selection process. But yeah, here's the torso. We have it all separated out, pieced out. Take the front side out off. You got this main piece that kind of holds the front and the back half together. We got the neck plate that comes down from the top to just help secure it. We have the poly caps here for the socket, and I have it hinging on the Z axis, the straight up and down axis, because his poncho and his cactus shoulder, they're big. So I think it's a good idea if he'd be able to reach his arms around and pose with the his weapon, the trident. But yeah, we have his backpack too. So let me hide the back side. You can see the poly caps. It's really cool in there. B-side torso. We can let's see, where's the backpack? The backpack is pieced out as well. If I can find it. Back pieces. It's been a while since I worked on the backpack, but yeah, it's all pieced out. They slot together. So the red piece it slots into the backpack, and then the backpack and the red piece go in together. There's little pinholes for them to go into. There's the lower ab. There's a 15-degree crunch in his abs. There's enough clearance for him. Um, yeah, there you go. There's the torso, um, lower torso, I call it. Okay. We have his skirt. His skirt pretty much looks like old school high grade, and really that's all. That's the level exposure I have to Gunpla, really, and I really should have more. So right now, I've taken apart this high grade RX-72. But yeah, this skirt, we got some old school. I don't even know what. Yeah, I have an aerial that I really should put together, but yeah, working on the legs right now. Got the cod piece that comes in. Okay, that goes over top, and then you can snip this in half if you want the skirt pieces to move individually. And yeah, I got down to the nitty gritty. Like, oops, look at that. So this is just me experimenting with the mating. So I'm experimenting to see how well this kind of connection performs against like a circular pin. I believe this would be way more secure. It's just that it needs a lot of it's a tighter tolerance because of the shape and how many faces that need to go perfect against each other. It requires more tolerance. So same thing here. I have a straight slot and then two pinholes. And then this one I'm still working on. Yeah, we got a square connection, the slot connection, couple pins. So far so good. Let me hide the oops. External. Oops. I have no idea where everything is. But yeah, we got everything hinges. We got hinges. We got the internal things here. And this is going to be a true kit. You're not going to need some other kit to convert. This is going to be, everything's going to be um, in one kit. It's going to be a true kit. But yeah, still working on this leg here. We'll see how things turn out here. But onto the arm, the poncho here needs some work. But the idea is to have the front plate hinge, the front plate of this poncho to hinge out, and the back piece too, so he can pose a little bit better. A lot better than if it was stiff. But yeah. Let me hide the front and the back plate. Show you guys what's up. So this looks like a normal, shoulder pauldron of any Gundam, and it clamps front and back together. And then the two plates here this piece right here will come on top and then hide the hinges for that. I haven't really worked it out yet, but yeah. And we got some classic poly caps that come together. Poly caps in pieces. So I pieced them out. So there's the deltoid. And it goes on top of this internal bicep pin. We got the bicep, inner, outer. It's built pretty much exactly like how Grandpa Gundam is built here. Okay, so let's hide the deltoid and the bicep. We got this cactus forearm, which is probably the highlight, one of the highlights of the build. And I really am concerned with how the resin printer will print these out because it comes to a point, but we'll see. I don't know. I haven't had much experience with resin printing and having fit pieces as accurate as Gundams. But yeah, let's see. All right, so forearm A, forearm B. Let's hide the spikes. Everything comes together. So top half, bottom half. Yeah, the elbow guard. It's gonna be cool. Oh, a little detail that I really like is how this elbow piece, it wraps around, this elbow guard wraps around the elbow here and kind of like goes parallel to the back of the tricep here. I think that's really cool. Yeah. But yeah, we have elbow pieces that come together. We got the hand, or sorry, the socket here, inner forearm. I gotta model the hand still, which is whatever. You guys get the idea though. Going over here, we got the cactus um, uh, shoulder piece. And one thing I noticed about Gundams in general is that they will always be able to stick their arm out like this. It doesn't matter like the shape of the shoulder. They'll always be able to do this. So they could lift their shoulder. So like the thing would be in the way, but then like the ball joint will like move the rest of the way, so it's straight out. In my design can't do that yet. But yeah, that's something I noticed. So like I would need to cut this out a little bit more, just a little bit more. Okay. And I do want to retain accuracy to the drawings here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's in the bottom corner. Let me show you. Rear. So yeah, you can see it's like cut out here. The way I have it now, like he can't do that. He can get up to like 60 degrees before his he can do like 30 degrees just along the internal axis of the shoulder, and then the shoulder joint takes it another like 30 degrees, but he can't go all the way out. So he's not quite there yet. That's another area I need to rework. But overall, I'm making some good progress here, I think. And yeah, I try to work on this every day, but I just got a new job, so things have been slowing down a little bit, but it's been pretty sick. I work on it every day, and we're getting closer and closer. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. The idea is I'm gonna have a little production run selling these as a kit. It's gonna be really well thought out, a really well thought out kit, and I want to deliver a very good experience for everyone. So yeah, I'll have a small production run, and then after that, we'll release the files for everyone to print. And then after that, maybe I'll do the Daniel custom, and then after that, who knows, maybe I'll do a brand new kit. But yeah, if you have any ideas, let me know, and I'll be more than willing to consider. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching.